Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another Boxycharm unboxing, and this is for the month of June. I actually got this pretty quickly, so I am excited that I get to open it now. If you are new here, hi, my name is Corinne. I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos, and let's get into the box. So this month, I actually did get the card that comes with it, and this says the Oasis, so that is what the theme is this month. So here's what the inside of my box looked like. So the first product in here is this product right here, and this is the Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. This eye balm stick delivers a lit from within glow while instantly hydrating, cooling, and filling in fine lines around the eyes. You'll feel awake with this eye balm and look refreshed and energized so you can glow and get it. That's kind of fun. So this one, it says you should apply it directly to the eye area under your makeup and then reapply throughout the day for an instant pick-me-up. And it is pretty late in the day, so I won't be reapplying, but I can at least put it on my eyes before I put any makeup on. So let's try that out. So it comes in this tube right here. It actually kind of looks like a stick foundation the way it's packaged. So it is actually a stick, so you can roll up the product right there. So let's try it out. I feel like I am putting on sunscreen, like, you know, that baby sunscreen that you get and you put on, or like the face sticks. Oh, that's really cooling. And it has probiotics, which help lock in moisture. It has caffeine, gives the skin a tight and firm appearance, and then apple and watermelon, which deeply hydrate and reduce the look of lines. So that's pretty great. I mean, my under eyes are terrible. They're pretty hydrated. Like, I don't really have dry skin, but I have pretty dark under eyes, and the caffeine will probably help that to make me look more awake and not like I haven't slept in 5 days. So that would be good. They are a cruelty-free brand, and I love the packaging. I love the color, and it all sounds really nice. And it's formulated without parabens, sulfates, phthalates, mineral oil, formaldehyde, triclosan, triclosan, retinol. Oh, it doesn't have retinol. It's gluten-free, and it is without a synthetic fragrance, and without silicones, and without dimethicones. So that's really great. This retails for $28, which is not too bad for an eye treatment, and I don't know if it really has done much. I mean, my skin is definitely glowing. You can just see that it is glowing, and it's not tacky at all. It's not sticky, which is great. I don't think it did too much to my skin, but maybe after using it a couple times, I might see a difference. It definitely cooled. I don't know about brightening, so I'll have to try this one out more, but this is a really exciting product. So the second product is another skincare product, and I just want to mention that because I won't be using that in this video. This is by Kylie Skin, and I think this is the first time that Kylie's brand is in a Boxycharm. And this is the foaming face wash, and it says our luxurious foaming face wash is infused with ultra-nourishing, oh my goodness. This foaming face wash is infused with ultra-nourishing kiwi seed oil packed with vitamin C and E to help maintain moisture and improve elasticity. This gentle formula cleanses skin by helping to remove dirt, oil, and makeup for a fresh, bright complexion. It retails for $24, and this is 5 fluid ounces. So let's take a look at this. Here is the packaging. I think this is really pretty. It has the pretty matte pink top. I mean, it's all that mattified finish. It says apply to wet skin and gently massage in circular motions. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. Let's see. Okay, so it is a foam, as you can see. It doesn't really have a fragrance, which I like. I don't like when face washes are super fragrant. So I'm really looking forward to trying that out. I will try that today, and I will let you guys know. Okay, sorry, I literally just knocked over my entire thing, so if the frame looks a little bit different, that's why. The next product is a makeup product, and this is the Laura Geller Multitasking Eye Lip Cheek Palette, and this is a cream to powder trio, and this is in shades of nude. So here's a look at the inside. They're really pretty shades, and it has a little mini mirror. This retails for $24, and it says the 3 well multitasking cream to powder face palette includes 2 finishes, demi matte and subtle shimmer. Each shade can be used on various different parts of the face, including the lips, eyes, and cheeks. The silky smooth, transformative texture goes on like a cream for easy blending and finishes like a powder for long-lasting color payoff. So that's really interesting. I've never used a cream to powder product, so I don't really know how this is going to be. But we're going to use all 3 of these shades. So actually, I'm going to put on the rest of my base. I'm just going to throw on my foundation and concealer. I already do have my brows on, so I'm just going to put those 2 on. So I just quickly threw on my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation and the Photo Focus concealer. So next I want to go into the bronzer, and I'm just going to use a sponge for this. And it does have a little tiny mirror, so I'm just going to use that. And I'm just going to dip right into the bronzer. And again, I've never used a cream to powder formula before, so we'll see how this turns out. Actually, that is very pigmented. I think this is going to blend out nicely when it turns into a powder. And again, I don't really know what that's supposed to do. So I actually like that. I like how that looks. I feel like you can probably build it up a lot, but I'm not going to do that right now because I think it looks pretty natural the way it is. So I'm going to go in with the blush, and I'm just going to use the side of the sponge. See, this one's not very pigmented. It's like barely coming off on my sponge. Yeah, it's actually pretty sheer. It looks more on camera. Wow, that's really pretty. Wow, I really like that. It has a slight sheen to it. You can kind of see on my cheeks. That's really pretty. I think the finish of this is gorgeous. I'm gonna go into the subtle shimmer, the highlight shade, and I'm just gonna apply that with my finger and try to do it lightly. That was too much. I'm just gonna blend that out. It's actually really easy with your finger, and yep, I really like that. So I will definitely keep trying this out and seeing how I like it. So the next product in here is from another brand that I have not heard of, and this is called KAB Cosmetics. And here is the packaging right here. I like the holographic letters. And on the side it says Kim, Ariana, and Brielle. So I'm assuming those are the creators of the brand, KAB. And this is a duo. This is a lip liner and lip gloss duo. And this retails for $40. Wow, that is a lot for a lip liner and a lip gloss. Phew. It says everything you need to create the glossy lip you've always wanted. This vanilla scented duo is perfect for a night out on the town or a casual everyday look. Use the liner and gloss together or each on their own. So let's take a look at the shade here, because I am gonna do my eye look and we'll see what I do based on these. Okay, so it is a bright pinky red toned shade. Here is the lip gloss. The packaging is huge. This is a huge tube. The lip liner reminds me of the ColourPop Lippy pencils. Here is what the color looks like. It is a pretty shade, so I'm gonna swatch this on my hand first. Oh, it feels really good. That's the lip liner shade right there. It is really pretty and it's really pigmented. That's like barely any swipes. And this lip gloss has a huge doe foot applicator. It's pretty thick. So that is the lipstick. It feels nice. Like I said, it's a little bit thicker. I'm gonna quickly do my eye look. I'm just gonna do something really simple because of that shade. Okay, so that was a really quick eye look. Now I'm gonna try this lip liner and lipstick. So keep in mind, I am not the best at lip liners at all because I like barely use them. So here goes nothing. So that was terrible application. I accidentally overdrew my lips and it looks terrible, so don't mind that. I'm going to put the lip gloss right on top. Oh, I can smell the vanilla. I think that's really pretty. It's a really pretty shade. Of course, not really for every day. I mean, some people pull this off, but I definitely cannot. So getting into the last product in the box, and that is this right here. And this is from Smashbox, which I'm really excited that this is in the box. And this is the Photo Finish Setting Spray. And I have not used this before. I have the Smashbox Primerizer, which I have used multiple times on my channel, and that is my favorite primer. And this says, create your look and seal the deal. This high-performing setting spray makes makeup transfer-proof and improves the wear up to 16 hours with a weightless, comfortable feel that's never sticky or greasy. And this retails for $32. So let's try this out. I haven't even sprayed this before. Come on. It's a fairly fine mist, not too bad. It doesn't really smell like anything. It smells very clean. So let's try this out. It's very harsh. Ooh. I just got a strong alcohol scent from this, which that's not great. But I could just be smelling things, so it could be this, but it also could be something else. I feel like I put too much on. Yeah, that was actually pretty intense. It's pretty liquidy. It's not drying very quickly. So I think my face looks really good right now. The setting spray did kind of lock everything in place, and we'll see how long it lasts. So that is all I got in my Boxycharm this month. I am really happy with this month. Last month was a disaster, so this was going to be a major test for me to see if this box was going to be worth it, and it definitely is. Adding all of this up, this box is worth $148, and I got box number 20, and I think that's totally worth it. I mean, if you have not heard of Boxycharm, it is $25 for all of these products, and they're all full size, so you can't really beat that. I'm really, really happy with this box. So that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!